Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can remove green screen using chroma key. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So just import the video and then grab it and drag it in the timeline, and here what you have to do is pretty simple. You have to go to cut out and then here enable chroma key, and then you need to click on color picker, click on it and then select the color. We have to select the green color that we want to remove, so just select green, and then we have to increase strength because now nothing happens because we haven't increased the strength. So when we increase now the strength, as you can see, we remove the chroma key, the green. Now, and we can also add some shadows. But as you can see, now we remove the green, and we remove the green screen, and now we can add something. Let's say this video, and this is another video. We can add it over the other one. So yeah, this is one, the green screen that we just removed, the video, and then this is another video. So yeah, we can add something here. Sorry, here. So yeah, if you want to add some shadows, you can increase the shadow if you want still to have some of the details. But overall, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. Subscribe to How to Browse YouTube channel, and if you have any requests, something that you if there's something that you don't know how to do in this editing software in Capcut, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.